Hello dear students, myself Dr. Sarang Dote. Today we discuss that is heterocyclic compound part 2. In previous lecture we already studied that what is the meaning of heterocyclic compounds and their nomenclature. As far as the syllabus is concerned, today we will discuss the first heterocyclic compound, that is pyrrole. See, this is the structure of pyrrole, where the in heterocyclic compound condition is that one of the heteroatom should be present. In this structure, we observe that the nitrogen is one heteroatom which is present between the cyclic 5-membered ring structure. So that the name of this compound according to common name system is pyrrole. So pyrrole, this is any class of organic compounds of the heterocyclic series characterized by the ring structure composed of the 4 carbon atoms and 1 nitrogen atoms. The simplest member of pyrrole family is pyrrole itself. The compound with the molecular formula C4H5N. Okay, this is the molecular formula. The pyrrole ring system present in the amino acid proline and hydroxyproline, and in colored natural products such as the chlorophyll, hemoglobin, okay, and the bile pigments. The pyrrole compounds also are found among the alkaloids, large class of alkaline organic nitrogen compound produced by plants. The IUPAC name of pyrrole is azacyclopenta-2,4-diene. The IUPAC name of this pyrrole is this azacyclopenta-2,4-diene. Kindly note it. This is a very important question may be asked. What is the IUPAC name of pyrrole? Okay, it is also present in, that is, coal tar. Okay, जो tar के रोड होते हैं उसमें भी ये ऑब्जर्व होता है. Now we will see one by one how it is prepared, the method of synthesis. The first is from Furan. First method is what? From Furan method. In this Furan method, when furan is heated with ammonium in the presence of alumina, Al2O3, it gives a pyrrole. Okay, it gives what? Pyrrole. Furan. This is the first. Second one is from the distillation of succinamide. Okay, from the distillation of what? Succinamide. When succinamide is distilled, okay, in the presence of a zinc dust, in the presence of what? Zinc dust, it gives the pyrrole plus zinc oxide. It gives what? Pyrrole plus zinc oxide. I will show you the reaction. This is a succinamide. Okay, this one is the succinamide. If suppose this hydrogen is replaced by the bromine, then it is N-bromosuccinamide. Okay, NBS shortcut. This is a very important reagent for the preparation of various compounds. In the presence of a zinc, okay, and heat, it gives this is a pyrrole. This is a pyrrole. This is a succinamide. Okay, and this is a pyrrole structure. This is one method. Next method, from the acetylene and ammonia. Acetylene means triple bonded compound. Okay, when the 2 moles of acetylene is when they react with the ammonia in the presence of heat, and heat is up to what? Red hot. Same, it gives the pyrrole. This is also one method. Next one is most important method is Pal-Nor-pyrrole synthesis. This is a very important. Okay, this is a name reaction. So what is the Pal-Nor synthesis? This Pal-Nor synthesis is a condensation of 1,4-dicarbonyl compound. Okay, this is a 1,4-dicarbonyl compound with excess of a primary amine or ammonia to give a pyrrole. This is a primary amine, it gives a what? Pyrrole. The reaction can be conducted under the neutral or weakly acidic conditions. Addition of weak acids such as acetic acid accelerates the reaction rate. That means it increases the rate of reaction when we add the acetic acid. But the use of ammonia, amine, hydrochloric acid or the reaction at pH less than 7 leads furans as the main product. This is a very important. So this is a very important. If suppose we are changing the pH level, then it gives that this furan, and at particular pH, at acidic pH, it gives what? Pyrrole. Okay, this is a very important technique. This is a method of synthesis, that is non-Paul synthesis. Now, next we will discuss the properties of a pyrrole, the physical properties. Okay, see there is a one IUPAC name also, 1H-pyrrole. Okay, and previously we already told them that pyrrole which is present in the coal tar or bone oil, that is the name of this IUPAC. This is the name of simple pyrrole. Compound name pyrrole, IUPAC name is 1H-pyrrole. Synonyms: azole, it is present in liquid or solid state. Appearance: it is a colorless. Solubility: this is important again. It is a colorless liquid, sparingly soluble in water but readily soluble in alcohol and ether. That is, it is readily soluble in organic solvents. Molar mass 67.09 gram per mole. Melting point is 23 degrees Celsius to 50 Kelvin minus 9 Fahrenheit. Boiling point 129 to 131. Density 967 kilogram per meter cube. Vapor pressure is also 7 mm per Hg at 23 degrees Celsius. Then the viscosity 0.001225 Pascal. And chemical nature, it is a weak acid and weak base. Sometimes it is also known as amphoteric in nature. We will discuss its acidic property as well as its basic property. Now next, acidic character of pyrrole. Okay, now in this spiral structure, it is a, when you observe that there is a hydrogen which is present, which is attached with the nitrogen. Okay, which is present with nitrogen. Now see here, this is a pyrrole structure. Okay, this pyrrole, in this pyrrole, the hydrogen is present with the nitrogen, and this is a lone pair of electrons. Okay, this one is the lone pair of what? Electron. Now, when this pyrrole is react with KOH, when this pyrrole is react with what? KOH. So it gives potassium salt of a pyrrole like that. See this type. Now this pyrrole is donates the H plus ion, and we know that whenever any species or any compound when donate the H plus ion, it is acidic in nature. It is what? Acidic in nature. And see, in this structure you observe that this negative charge is present on this pyrrole ring now. Due to the donation of H plus ion, this positive H plus negative charge is over this pyrrole ring. Now, it is acidic in nature. But suppose if this negative charge is highly unstable, if this negative charge is highly unstable, then what is the tendency of this pyrrole? It again bonded with that H plus ion. Okay, bonded with H plus ions and come back to its original position, that is a pyrrole. If suppose this negative charge is stabilized by the any method, then there is no need to H plus back to its original position, and now this pyrrole, this acidic pyrrole is highly stabilized. This is pyrrole ion. Name of this ion is pyrolyl anion. Name of this is pyrolyl anion. If this pyrolyl anion is highly stable, then the compound may be acidic. Now question is that how it can be stable. Okay, we will see the next slide. Now acidic character of pyrolyl is due to resonance hybrid structure. Okay, if suppose this negative charge is delocalized throughout this ring, that means this negative charge, due to the delocalization of this negative charge, the pyral structure is highly stable. And if suppose this negative pyrolyl ion is stable, that means it compound show the acidic in nature. If suppose there is no resonance, no delocalization of negative charge, then the pyrolyl anion is less stable, and less stable, that means H plus come back to its position, and due to this is weak acidic in nature. But here, due to the resonance structure, this pyrolyl ion is highly stable, and so it is acidic in nature. But one thing is that the pyrrole is also basic in nature. Why it is basic in nature? So see, in pyrrole structure, there is a lone pair of electrons, okay, present, which is involved in the formation of a delocalization of pi molecular orbital. So this lone pair of electron can be donated, and we know that the compound or species those who are donate the lone pair of electron, it is a basic in nature. Okay, this is a Lewis basic in nature. So in this case, this lone pair of electron in the structure, this lone pair of electron, it can be donate. Donate means what? It can bonded with the other species also. Lone pair electron rich hai. So that if suppose in this case there is H plus ion, proton is there, H plus. Due to this H plus, this pyrrole, okay, this pyrrole gives this type of structure. Now in this structure there is no lone pair, because lone pair is undergo the bonding with this hydrogen. Due to this hydrogen there is a formation of such type of compound. That means this compound, it also show basic nature, okay, and due to this presence of lone pair of electron, it may be a basic in nature. But there is one problem. What is that problem? So now see what we say, if this lone pair is present, okay, this lone pair is present, due to this lone pair it can be donated, so it is basic in nature. But one thing is remembered here, this lone pair is undergo resonance. It is present in the resonance hybrid. Resonance hybrid means what? It is delocalized. ये घूमता हुआ रहेगा नेगेटिव चार्ज, सॉरी, लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन घूमते रहेंगे, कभी यहाँ पर जाएंगे, फिर यहाँ पर आएंगे, फिर यहाँ पर आएंगे. And due to this delocalization of negative charge, sorry, delocalization of this lone pair of electron, this lone pair is not readily available. Is not readily available. Okay, not readily available. And due to this non-readily availability of a lone pair of electron, this pyrrole is weak base. This is important. This is a weak base. We will see in the first slide. In the resonance hybrid, see the lone pair of electron involving in the delocalization of this. So due to this delocalization, the lone pair is not readily available, and when it is not readily available, so that means compound is a weak basic. It may donate, but it is a weak basic in nature. Okay, so this is the basicity. Now see, lone pair, delocalization of lone pair. यहाँ पर देखो lone pair घूम रहे हैं सभी जगह पर. The resonance contribution of the pyrrole, and due to this delocalization of lone pair of electron, okay, lone pair of electron, this lone pair is not readily available, and so compound is less basic in nature. Now reactions. This is the important portion. Now, see, in case of this pyrrole, okay, the nitrogen carry a lone pair of electron. That means these electrons may be readily available for the electrophile. So most of the time, pyrrole shows the electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, most of the time, pyrrole show the electrophilic substitution reaction. Now, in this case of electrophilic substitution reaction, see there are the two positions that electrophile will attack on the two position. Which position? Suppose this one is attacked. This is the second position, carbon number 2. Okay, electrophile. Carbon number 3, this one. If suppose the electrophile will attack on second position, due to the second position, see here is formation of a carbocation. Okay, here is formation of what? Carbocation. And this carbocation, it show the resonance hybrid. See, negative positive charge is delocalized. First is here, then it here, then it here. Okay, there are the three resonance hybrid structure when the electrophile will attack on C2, that is second carbon. In this case, when the electrophile will attack on the third position, so there are the only two resonance hybrid is there. See this one and this one, only two. According to stability rule of a carbocation, when the electrophile will attack on the second position, it shows the maximum stability, and hence most of the time electrophile will attack on the second position. See, C2 attack gives the more resonance contribution structure than the C3. Extra stable contributing structure generates upon the C2 attack. What it means, we will see in this. Now see. See, this is the pyrrole. Okay, numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, electrophile will attack on second position also, will attack on third position also. Okay, see, second position means this, third position means what? This. When this electrophile attack on the second position, what will happen? That is, side carbon carry a positive charge because electron get pulled by the electrophile. So that, now see, reaction when it attack on second position. Now here is the electrophile attack and here is positive charge, and this is a double bond. Okay, this is a positive charge, formation of a carbocation. Now this carbocation will undergo delocalize. That means suppose this is shifted here, okay, and due to the shifting of here, this positive charge shift at this position. सी, जहां से इलेक्ट्रॉन जा रहे हैं उसका एक कार्बन के पास इलेक्ट्रॉन कम हो जाती है, इसलिए वहां पर पॉजिटिव चार्ज आएगा. तो फिर आपको स्ट्रक्चर ऐसा मिलेगा. अभी सी इलेक्ट्रोफाइल हुआ और एक बार रेजोनेंस जाएगा. देखो यहाँ पर लोन पेयर है, लोन पेयर भी इन्वॉल्व होंगे रेजोनेंस के लिए. क्या होगा फिर, ये लोन पेयर हो गए तो इधर शिफ्ट होगा. ओके, इधर जब शिफ्ट होगा तो देखो आपको स्ट्रक्चर इस टाइप से मिलेगा. इस नाइट्रोजन के ऊपर आया पॉजिटिव चार्ज और यहाँ पर डबल बॉन्ड, यहाँ पर और यहाँ पर है इलेक्ट्रोफाइल. ठीक है, सो यहाँ पर आपको इतने सारे रेजोनेंस स्ट्रक्चर मिल रहे हैं, 3. बट अगर वो सपोज थर्ड नंबर पर अटैक करता है, दैट मीन्स यहाँ पर अटैक अगर करता है, ओके, तो यहाँ पर अगर अटैक किया तो देखो क्या होगा. यहाँ पर अगर अटैक किया तो पॉजिटिव चार्ज यहाँ पर आएगा और इलेक्ट्रोफाइल यहाँ पर अटैक होगा. ठीक है, अभी ज्यादा से ज्यादा ये कितने शो कर सकता है स्ट्रक्चर, ज्यादा से ज्यादा, तो देखो लोन पेयर है यहाँ पर, सो दैट ये लोन पेयर यहाँ पर शिफ्ट होगा। ओके, तो फिर आपको पायरॉल का स्ट्रक्चर इस टाइप से मिलेगा, तो यहाँ पर और यहाँ पर, और पॉजिटिव चार्ज नाइट्रोजन के ऊपर। हियर इज ओनली 2 रेजोनेंस हाइब्रिड, यहाँ पर कितने हैं रेजोनेंस हाइब्रिड, 3 रेजोनेंस हाइब्रिड। यहाँ पर कितने हैं हाइब्रिड, 2 रेजोनेंस हाइब्रिड। वन थिंग इज रिमेंबर्ड, number of resonance hybrid, that means more stability of a compound. In this case there are the 3 resonance hybrid, and due to this 3 resonance hybrid the compound is highly stable. So most of the time electrophile prefer attack on the second position, not in the third position, already mentioned here. See, attack on this position. Okay, now before thank you, we will see the various example of electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, one by one we will see the electrophilic substitution reaction. This is a pyrrole. Okay, this one is the what, pyrrole. If suppose nitration is there, first reaction pyrrole is nitration reaction, that is HNO3 in the presence of acetic anhydride. Okay, CH3CO by 2O, this is a acetic anhydride. Okay, at 283 Kelvin, at 283 Kelvin. Now this generates the NO2, इलेक्ट्रोफाइल कौन सा जनरेट होगा यहाँ पर, NO2 अटैक करने वाला है, तो NO2 कहाँ पर अटैक करेगा, सेकंड पोजीशन पर, दैट मीन्स यहाँ पर अटैक करेगा। सो स्ट्रक्चर कैसा होगा फिर, NO2, और कैसा है यहाँ पर पॉजिटिव चार्ज घूमते रहेगा, तो आप इसको ऐसा भी दिखा सकते हो। ओके, प्लस 2 मोल्स ऑफ CH3COOH। क्लियर, देखो NO2 कौन से पोजीशन पर अटैक हुआ, सेकंड पोजीशन पर अटैक हुआ, कहां पर अटैक हुआ, सेकंड पोजीशन पर अटैक हुआ। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट देखते हैं इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन में, नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल सल्फोनेशन। ओके, now for this sulfonation we are using a sulfonating agent, that is pyridine। SO3 गैस को पास करेंगे इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ डाइक्लोरो डेरिवेटिव, दैट इज डाइक्लोरोइथेन की प्रेजेंस में करेंगे इसको। यहाँ पर आपको अगेन देखो SO3 और ये जो मीडियम है ये जनरेट करेगा इलेक्ट्रोफाइल, दैट इज SO3, ये वाला अटैक करने वाला है वहां पर। ओके, SO3, और हाइड्रोजन तो ऑलरेडी है वहां पर, SO3 अटैक करेगा, तो ये भी कहां पर अटैक करेगा, सेकंड पोजीशन पर ही अटैक करेगा, ये भी थर्ड पोजीशन पर नहीं। तो फिर आपको यहाँ पर कंपाउंड कैसे मिलेगा, ये हो गया कंपाउंड, दिस इज अ सल्फोनेशन। फर्स्ट वन वाली जो रिएक्शन हुई थी वो है नाइट्रेशन, कौन सी थी वो, नाइट्रेशन रिएक्शन। क्लियर, समझ में आ गया। चलो अभी नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन देखते हैं। नेक्स्ट वन, दैट इज हैलोजिनेशन। ओके, नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट, हैलोजिनेशन रिएक्शन। तो उसमें देखेंगे पहले क्लोरीनेशन। फर्स्ट रिएक्शन कौन सी देखेंगे, क्लोरीनेशन रिएक्शन। अभी क्लोरीनेशन रिएक्शन भी दो टाइप से आप कर सकते हो, ठीक है, तो उसमें देखेंगे वन बाय वन। इफ सपोज सल्फ्यूरिल क्लोराइड 2 मोल्स ऑफ SO2 Cl2 पास करता हूं मैं, ओके, in the presence of ether, in the presence of what, ether, SO2Cl2. Okay, in the presence of what? Ether के presence में at 273 Kelvin it gives tetra substituted chlorine, 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 tetra substituted pyrrole. Okay, but same chlorination is carried out. Direct chlorine gas को pass करता हूँ मैं. Okay, so here what will be the product? This one. The first one is known as 2, 3, 4, 5 tetrachloropyrrole. Tetrachloropyrrole, whereas the second one is known as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentachloropyrrole. Pentachloropyrrole. What is the difference between these two reactions? So here is the difference. When the sulfuryl chloride, name of this compound is sulfuryl. When the reaction is carried out, sulfuryl chloride, in the presence of sulfuryl chloride, it gives the tetra substituted compound. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4. Hydrogen remain as it is. But when the chlorine gas is passed, it gives the penta substituted compound. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. This hydrogen is also replaced by what? Chlorine. This is the halogenation reaction. Most important. Okay. Next, bromination. Iodination is also there. Bromination is also there. See, first we will see the bromination. Okay, bromination. What is the meaning of a bromination? Addition of bromine. This reaction is carried out by Br2 in the presence of ethanol, C2H5OH at 273 Kelvin temperature. It gives tetra bromo compound, that is Br, 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 Br plus 4HBr, because hydrogen get replaced by what? Bromine. This one. Okay. Now, next one is iodination. For this iodination, 4 moles of iodine gas is passed. It gives again tetra. Okay, iodine. This is a iodol plus 4Hi. Tetra substituted. The hydrogen which is attached with the nitrogen is not replaced by what? Iodine. So this is a tetra substituted. This one is the tetra substituted. This one is the what? Tetra substituted. The name of the first is 2, 3, 4, 5 tetra bromopyrrole. Tetra bromopyrrole. Okay, same to same reason also 2, 3, 4, 5 tetra iodopyrrole. Such type of compound. Okay. Last we will see The Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. In the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, acetic anhydride, that is CH3, C double bond O, O, C double bond O, CH3. Okay, this is acetic anhydride. Is passed at 523 Kelvin. Temperature is what? 523 Kelvin. At this temperature, okay, second position here, the second position is attacked by acetyl group, and we will get the compound NH C double bond O CH3 plus CH3 COOH. Okay, name of this compound is 2-acetyl pyrrole. The name of compound is 2-acetyl pyrrole. Clear? So by this, the electrophilic substitution reactions of pyrrole is completed. Okay, this is the electrophilic substitution reaction. See, first is what? In this portion, bromination, iodination, and then Friedel-Crafts. Important thing is that electrophile is always attack on the second position, not third position, due to the stability. Clear? Now, next we will see the structure of pyrrole. Structure of what? Pyrrole. Now, before some points we will discuss. Here we will draw the structure of pyrrole. See, this is a pyrrole. Here, due to this double bonded, the each carbon is sp2 hybridized. Each carbon is what? sp2 hybridized. Each carbon. Okay. So that this carbon and this carbon is joined by sp2 overlapping. This is joined by what? sp2 overlap. That means this carbon is bonded with other carbon by sp2 overlap. All these are. Okay. Now, this one, when the carbon and hydrogen, this bonding, okay, carbon and hydrogen, see, this carbon is sp2 hybridized, this carbon is also sp2 hybridized, so that sp2 overlapping. But when we are discussing about the carbon and hydrogen, in this case, this is sp2s overlapping. Okay, this is sp2s overlapping. sp2s overlapping is there. So that in this pyrrole structure contain, there is 3 carbon-carbon bond, 2 carbon-nitrogen bond. You see, this carbon and nitrogen, this carbon and nitrogen, 2 carbon-nitrogen bond, and 4 carbon-hydrogen bond is there. One is bond is also there, that is one bonding between what? Nitrogen and hydrogen, this one. Okay, this is also there. All these sigma bonds lie in one plane, that is 120 degree from each other. All these bonds are nearly 120 degree from each other. This is the important thing. Okay. Now, this is a simple structure. But when we undergo the orbital type of structure, overlapping of orbital, now see how it. See, this is a carbon overlapping with other carbon. This is sp2 sp2 overlapping sigma bond. Okay, now again this carbon overlap with another carbon. This is also sp2 sp2 sigma bonding. Here is also, this is also sp2 sp2 overlapping. Okay, here is the nitrogen. Here nitrogen is overlap with carbon. Okay, here is also overlapping with carbon. Nitrogen contain one lone pair. Okay, now see, here is also this sp2 sp2 overlapping. If the question is asked, draw the structure of a pyrrole, so you have to draw this, all this. Okay, sp2 sp2 overlapping is there. Now remaining is what? Hydrogen. Carbon and hydrogen overlapping, circular form. One sp2s sigma bond. sp2s what? Sigma bond. This is a carbon and hydrogen overlap. sp2s overlapping. Here is also hydrogen. sp2s overlapping. Here is also hydrogen. sp2s overlapping. Here is also carbon and hydrogen. sp2s overlapping. This is the orbital structure of what? Pyrrole. Okay, you have to, in exam you have to draw this type of structure. Okay, now see, these are the sigma bond, carbon carbon, but we know that in that structure there is a double bond is also there. Here is C, such type of, so due to this double bond is means what? Pi bonding is there. Pi bonding is axial overlapping. तो फिर यहाँ पर क्या होगा, यहाँ पर जो भी पाई बॉन्ड है कंप्लीटली ऐसे घूमते रहेंगे यहाँ पर, ड्यू टू दिस लोन पेयर भी इन्वॉल्व होगा. आपने अभी तक रेजोनेंस स्ट्रक्चर देखा है उसमें. तो फिर अगर रेजोनेंस स्ट्रक्चर में अगर आप देखोगे तो देखो यहाँ पर एक, अभी यहाँ पर रेजोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर के फॉर्म में देखो क्या होता है. कार्बन 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 नाइट्रोजन. ओके, ये है साइड वाइज ओवरलैप वाले ऑर्बिटल्स. साइड वाइज ओवरलैपिंग मीन्स व्हाट? ये पाई बॉन्ड फॉर्म करेंगे. किस टाइप से पाई बॉन्ड फॉर्म करेंगे? ऐसे और ऐसे. हो गया, ठीक है. नीचे वाला भी लोब्स ऑर्बिटल इस टाइप से करेगा. हो गया. तो यहाँ पर sidewise overlapping, there is a formation of what? Pi bond. Formation of what? Pi bonding is there. But this pi bond is delocalized. That means maybe this pi bond shifted here and this may be shifted here. And due to this shifting, there is a delocalization. And one thing is, remember, the pi electrons is delocalized throughout this structure, so that pi electron cloud is always present above the plane and below the plane. Okay, above the plane and below the plane. And due to this delocalization of a structure, for simple, this pyrrole structure is shown by this. Okay, so this is the structure of this. Now, in case of a pyrrole, according to Haeckel rule, according to what? Haeckel rule, this pyrrole contain 4n plus 2 pi electrons. n means what? Any integer value. आप 1 2 3 4 कुछ भी ले सकते हो, उसमें 2 ऐड कर देना. उतने पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होने चाहिए. जैसा भी यहाँ पर देखो, यहाँ पर कितने पाई बॉन्ड फॉर्म हो रहे हैं? नंबर ऑफ पाई बॉन्ड इज इक्वल टू 2. तो सो दैट यहाँ पर 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है सिस्टम में. पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कितने हैं टोटल 4। तो फिर 4 को अगर मैं यहाँ पे रख देता हूं, ठीक है, 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, तो यहां पर देखो कितना बनेगा 4, n की वैल्यू कितनी रखूंगा मैं 1, तो कितना हो गया यहाँ पर 4, 4 प्लस 2 6, क्लियर है, 4 प्लस 2 और 6 होना चाहिए। अभी देखो मैं आपको बता देता हूँ कैसे होता है। 4n प्लस 2 बोला गया है ना, इफ सपोज n की वैल्यू में 0 रखता हूँ तो फिर इसका सम करोगे 4 इंटू 0 0 2 आता है। अगर मैं n की वैल्यू 1 रखता हूँ तो कितना आएगा 6, अगर मैं 2 रखता हूँ तो कितना आएगा 4 2 8 10, ये नंबर आने चाहिए आपके पास, तो आपका कंपाउंड एरोमेटिक होगा। अब यहाँ पर देखो कितने पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है 4, इस यहाँ पर 4 सीरीज आ रही है क्या, नहीं, बट ड्यू टू द लोन पेयर, आपको लोन पेयर भी कंसीडर करना है, दैट मीन्स यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा फिर इस केस में 4 प्लस 2 हो जाएगा, तो दैट इज कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, दैट इज रेजोनेंस के लिए 4 तो पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है बट 2 लोन पेयर भी है, टोटल कितने हो गए 6, 6 है क्या इस नंबर पे, हाँ है, ये रहा 6 है, तो दैट मीन्स आपका कंपाउंड एरोमेटिक इन नेचर का रहेगा। इसके ऊपर मैं स्पेशल क्लास लूंगा आपका एरोमेटिसिटी के ऊपर, बट यहाँ पर आपको इतना ध्यान में रखना है कि पायरॉल के पास 4n प्लस 2 पाई इलेक्ट्रॉन सिस्टम होती है, सो दैट इट इज अ व्हाट aromatic in nature. Okay, so by this we completed the second part also. Okay, thank you. और try to solve multiple choice questions, आप कितने बार भी solve कर सकते हो इसको। ओके, कभी कभी मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस डिस्प्ले नहीं होगा तो कोई बात नहीं, लेटर ऑन आप कभी भी सॉल्व कर सकते हो, वैसे आपको इन्फॉर्म किया जाएगा।